My name is Aurélien Pedler. Okay, so I am the president of the company. We are located in the beautiful area near Fontainebleau. We are more focused on low vision products for visually impaired people. We start to make special lenses such as plus 20 lens or even minus 20 or eye cylinder. We also have to have some very good shades on our lenses to help people to improve their vision and the quality of contrast. We have developed our own recipes for this, and this is controlled by spectrometer, so we see that we cut the light, the blue light exactly for the low vision, but then we have developed recipes for shade for epileptic, for dyslexic, or even for colorblind, and also for headache people. For me, the coating is a key point. You don't have to use a low, bad quality coating. We use a lot of Satisloh machine. We have an Orbit one, Toroflex, CD500 from SCL, and we have M3380 for evaporation coating. The best machine of the world, the easy one to operate. Satisloh is a company which is, for me, well known in the market. So when we tried to go in the ophthalmic market, it was a company we decided to go to discuss with them and ask them what they could offer to us as a solution. Quality of the lenses was good, and even the throughput was really good. The most satisfying part is the ease of use. My operator doesn't have any trouble to go inside the machine, and he doesn't face any difficulties to work with them, so that's quite good when you have so much machine, because at the beginning he was a little bit afraid. Honestly, the best point as a support from Satisloh. Technical guys come here to install the AR coating machine, and he also support us for the art coating machine, and he give us a very good background to know how to edit our recipes also in the coating. Yeah, the future now is to improve the ophthalmic market, to offer also some white lenses, and also to promote for the sport market. We are now working on tinting for polycarbonate lenses. That's maybe the future for the company.